Okay, this is Friday, the last Friday in the month of September. This has been a volatile month. I lost about $9,000. I didn't lose it. I mean, I moved it around, and the stocks I moved it to have not done anything. So not gonna say I lost anything. I'm just waiting. And October gonna be another volatile month. I'm really waiting for November because I got a few. I took some to do some other things. My son gave me a stock that we're gonna look at today because I bit. I said, okay, I'm gonna go in because Kathy Woods came in and she bought her. And I think Tesla was in this. Bought some too, to keep this company, 3D company, whatever, from going up. We're gonna look at it because it got a lot of. It was interesting. It was interesting. So let's share our screen because if we don't share our screen, we be on here talking. We don't have that much time. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, this is the stock we I got my little grand in the back, she's doing what she do. Okay. VLO 3D, and it produces, three-dimensional printers in the United States and internationally. And that's why I'm gonna take my time with this one, because it didn't cost that much money, but it was going. If they put their money in it, they looking for an upside, and also it offers flow of a prosperity, whatever software platform, and which scans geometrical, features. Sapphire and all, you can read it yourself. The company also provides support services, and its customers range from small to medium-sized enterprises to Fortune 500 companies. Okay, so we see what the company is about. So let's go back to the company overview, and it's forecast to grow about 17%, but that's not what we want to really start looking at. So where's these, it was three something, here, I guess it went down under one. So when they put money in, they just going to come in and out probably in a couple of months. And I will too. But I was looking at that, they lost money. They lost 69%, this year. And, last 7 days they're losing money. Today they jumped. That's why I bought about 1,300 at 120, 1,300 shares at, but you can read about the company. We already read that, and you can look at some of the things. It's not looking good. Valuation is not looking good, but it's right here in the food chain. It's right next to. So the product it's a good product, And you can see it compares to industry. A lot of red, like normally, not normal, but some of these companies, so you invest in the company versus industry, analyst growth forecast. So they're scheduled to do better than industry in the growth category. Past performance, not good. That's the tool they look in earnings versus whatever. You're gonna see some of the big boys on it, and a lot of public owns less of these shares. Assets, they got a lot of assets to liabilities. That's what they are looking at, because they have to go, they'll sell them all. Debt level, they have more cash than debt. Okay, you can look and see what they're doing. Okay, dividends, they don't give any. And you can see this. And I picked up an old one too. This guy making $2 million. He's 52, making $2 million. Oh, you're making $2 million and you guys losing money. But he probably owned lots of people been selling 10,000 shares were sold. And you can go up here and see who sold the shares. This guy named Matthew Walters. He showed 10,000 of them. Okay. At 314. That was a few months ago. And you can see who owns, a lot of shares, 37 million. Something that's going on. Vanguard is, they went back and they own it. Then you got BlackRock and you got all these other good, George Capital. You got Even the guy who owns E-Trade is in this thing. Goldman Sachs, and okay, well, you got a lot of folk in here. So they doing what they supposed to do, and you can see, you can go find out. Look on their website, you can get more information. Market cap is not, but they've been growing. People been growing, so they see something that's going on. They in California, Campbell, California. So they own the NASDAQ, and so this might be a good one for me. And yeah, I just wanted to look at that one. And I'm gonna real quickly. I'm gonna look at this one called LLAP. Even though I looked that up. This one is another. This is one of these space stocks. I think my son sold out of this. I went back in. I was gonna get 10,000. I said no. I'm gonna go slowly with this one right here. It's trading 97% below its estimated value, earning forecast to grow 74%. This is a good company. I'm gonna tell you, but these guys are supposed to be about $42 a share, and they're losing money just like the last one I showed you real quick. I showed you this one before, but they are, they're not up on the top of the food chain, but these guys are supposed to be made. These are the satellites, just like SID. We're gonna look at that one again today. I'm doing some things with that one because I got out. See, it's selling like 85 cents, but it should be about $37. $37, $40. So it's really under that. But I want to see what they do in November, because Zach is the one. No, Zach, these are the ones that they did some. They did an offering. So the company is here. This is industry growth. So this company, and it's got a lot of, like I say, the debt value. That's why a lot of folk is not smart money is saying, "Oh no, I'm not putting us too much red." See, they in debt. The shareholder, they show a lot of equity on. So they want to. They just get ready to sell the company, I think, because you don't sell you red in every category. But I went out, I bought about 85 cents. See, this is a guy making too much money, $7 million, and this company is losing money. But it's an excellent company, experienced board. So you got this guy buying 20, everybody else is selling. But you can see who owns, institutions, hedge funds, public company, private companies, and you can see who's this guy. Mark Bell. He owns a lot of shares. That's why he bought. Lockheed owned a lot of shares. Lockheed is one. And this other company came out and bought a lot of shares recently. So you can't. BlackRock, they put more money in them. This is a satellite. Satellite is big business. That's why I picked them up. I said, okay. But I like SIDU because they get ready. That SpaceX, they already got a contract with these folks. So, and they only 12. They were 12 cents. Now today they went up to 17 cents or even 19 cents. They went back down. But I'm going to keep my seed in the ground on them. I still got 100,000 shares on them. So I lost all because I moved that money. I bought it down. I put it. I didn't lose it. I put it back into some other company. This one I showed you before. So I'm waiting because it only takes one. Even though they get ready to shut down the government, this week, and people are all up in arms. But let's go back in and reshare now. Let's look at what the market is doing. I got about 9 minutes. So let's see what the market is doing. I don't want to go away without us looking at the market. Okay. I'm starting off with my margin account, and you can see this is the VLD that I showed you. This is the one my son gave me. I bought it at 124, really 125. It's up to about 156. So I made $300 today. I can take it out right now, and I made $300. But I bought 1,000 of them, and I bought in my probably a little spending money on the other side. I made about 90 some dollars. you look at AT&T, they 15. You know, I like to say, and what's going back and forth is these things like this one right here. But that's all right. I got 90,000, but I got some other on some other end too. I got 10 in my pride. That's my spending money. I really got about 50,000 with these. See, I took some money out. I had 100,000, but I took because they haven't moved yet, so it's about 5 cents. So, and when it started moving, I'll go ahead and put some. But these things can move fast on you. Intel, I picked up that one to just stay. I'm gonna stay in that one. This one right here today, it's up 140 some percent. It was like $5 yesterday. Now it's about $12. I picked it up. I only bought 30 of them because this one should be about $70. A company came in and bought them out. So I'm gonna wait and see how they do next week, and then if it drops, I'm gonna wait for it. That's why I only got 30 in it. I got $300 in it. So if it goes up, and then I'm still to the good, but right now. Yeah, you gotta look at this one right here. You gotta read about this one. I'll do something on it next week. And these are the ones. This is my one my son gave me too. It made me some money. I bought it at 13, and now it's up to 14. It went up to 15. So these are these new computers that these quantum computers. So they got contracts. So with University of Maryland. So I'm not worried about this down today. Lappy, this is the 183 cents. This one they had an offering, and I think the offering was like 140 or something. So I bought I had a lot, about 10. I said no, I'm gonna wait till it finish dropping, and then I get it at and then when it goes up, it go up, because this one will go up. That's that space stock I just got through showing you. It's satellites. These are these future. I'm keeping this one too. This one, and people don't know about. This one is the best kept. Says storage, IT storage. I got 100 of them. So when it goes up to $100 a share, I told everybody about it. Okay, we're going to my little, what I call my personal account. Personal. I put, it should be about $7,000, $8,000, $10,000, but that's not. I lost a lot of money this year in this personal account, but I don't count these guys out. TTO, you see, I'm still hanging on to that one, even though it went down like 15 cents. Now it's back up to 21 cents. I'm keeping my eye on this one. Because once the FDA do what it do, it's gonna fly, and then I can pick up some more. Remember, I made 16,000 on this, and I put it in the other ones that fizzled out. I lost. I told you I lost. This was up. My account was up to $72,000, and now it's back down to like 63 because you can call me stupid. That's okay. But I know what I'm doing. It's a strategy in this thing. This is the MCOM. I'm still mobility. I'm still key. Still 5 cents. I'm keeping my seed in the ground on this one too. Still 5 cents. Okay. So if I was to buy another, 10,000 of these things, see, I can go ahead and buy 10,000 of this one, and let's see if it, and then. Let's see, at 58 cents, let's see if I can get another. Yeah, it's $500. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another 10,000 of them, okay? So I got 20, and I got 30 on the other end, so it'd be about $60,000. Then I'm gonna get another 10,000 in my other account. So, right now it's not looking like it's not doing anything, but you wait till this thing go up to about, I think in 22, it was $30 a share. But right now it's 5 cents. That's why, and they got an Uber account. They went with Uber and they changed their management. So right now they're looking like they're not doing anything. So right now I'll put my seed in the ground. I'm keeping my seed in the ground. This one is SID. This is the one that's go back and forth. But I got 10,000 when it start flying up. This one is I got it at 15. I got it too high. So I wanna really get out of this one right here. Sell this one if I can. Let's see if I buy it you know, yeah, I get out of it real quick. And then if I can get back in it, what is it? That's how you can sell these. It's SIDU. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one again because I want to get this at the lowest possible. Even though I'm losing money right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, 10,000 shares at this price. I'd rather get it at 14, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I can deal with that. Okay. I can deal with this 1435 rather than, even though it's 14 something, I can deal with that price right there because I hit it too high at 15. So when it started going up to 17, you can see really some good movement, and then I can take it out next week. When it goes to 17, I might take it out and then play with it a little more. Okay, so TTO, like I said, right now we're not doing any, just keep your seed in the ground. Now we go over to, we got 5 minutes. I know I got 2 minutes, and you can see what's on Apple. I had guys Apple and these guys. I call these my two performing ones. So they can do what they want. I'm gonna let them go ahead and play around a little bit. Hopefully one day they get a catch on. I still keep these. People say they does, man. You gotta get rid of them. I said, okay. In a little while, I'm gonna still keep this one. I'm still got it. Went, I bought it at 121, and this one lost me about $2,000 already. So when it goes up, it normally about $32 a share. So all these ones I'm telling you about, I got this one over here. That's look like it's losing money, and then Lappies look like it's losing a little money. That's all right. MCOM is making me a little bit, but I bought it a little high over on this end. I bought it at 6 something, but right now it's it's 5 something, and really, yeah, I'm gonna take that out after hours if it goes down. If it stays about 5 something, I'm gonna take it out and stay 5 cents. I want all of them to be about 5 cents. Okay, and then let it do what it do. This one is 14. This one I got at 13 at like 1,000 of them. This is my play money, SIDU. So it's still making me a little money. And then Tesla, you can't beat Tesla. The guy at 140, Tesla gonna be Tesla. Tesla made me most money in this one right here. And then you got the VLU. So let's look at all of them. We got less than a minute. Okay, I made $200 and some, but I'm going back up again. Overall, for the year, my profit, I made $9,000. Okay, overall, $9,000. Okay, but today trading, I didn't do too good, but I still got some profit in there. Okay. But I lost overall. But look, it's closed. I'm waiting till next week to see what's going on. But you look at SIDU, it's going down. That's what I like to see. I like to see it's doing what it's doing. Okay. I like to see MCOM. It's doing what it's doing. It's start making me a little bit. But I told you I'm jockeying for position. You can look at TTO is doing that, and this is the one at VLD made me 400, and it's still going up a little. It still went up, and then okay. Let's see what it do. We're gonna keep my seed in the ground. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we get back to 70,000. But so far this year, I started off 45, and let me stop sharing. God bless you. God keep you. God cause faith to shine on you. And I will see you, hopefully next week. Hopefully there won't be a shutdown. If not, that'll give me a chance to really do some more homework and do what I need to do on these. This is my extra income. Okay. This is my streaming extra income. So God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face shine on you and give you peace. I see you next week, if the Lord will.